And in my previous video, I have taught you the image formation by convex lens. I have discussed 6 cases in detail. Now, in this video, I am going to teach you that how to measure approximate focal length of a convex lens. So, in this video, I will teach you that how rough focal length, rough means approximate focal length of a convex lens can be measured. The trick to measure rough or approximate focal length of a convex lens is based upon first property that when object is located at infinity, then its image is formed at principal focus. What does it mean? For the object which is located at infinity, image is formed at focus. So how can we measure? Let's understand this using diagram first. This is convex lens. Its focal length can be the lens that we use in our labs. It is having focal length up to 30 centimeter. Let maximum it is having 30 centimeter. But we want to find out the image of a tree which is outside or which is too far, about 500 meter. So, as compared to this focal length, the tree which is located at 200, 300 or 500 meter, it will be considered at infinity. So, from that tree or from that window, either tree or window you can focus. So, the rays will be parallel to each other because from infinity rays are parallel to each other. When these rays enter or passes the convex lens, they focus, they collect at a point that is known as principal focus. The separation between position of lens position and principal focus. The separation between lens and principal focus is known as rough focal length. Okay. So, what will be the step number 1? Step number 1, hold the convex lens in lens holder. Number 2, hold a cardboard screen so as to focus image. Okay, it means you are having two holder, one is having convex lens and other one is having screen to capture the image. Now, focus on building or tree or any outside object. Such a way sufficient light rays from object, sufficient light rays or rays from object falls on lens, enters the lens. Okay. As I have told you, the distance is too large that they will be treated as parallel rays. When these parallel rays enter our lens, that is placed in lens holder, they collect, they converge at a point, converging and forming image. Converging and forming image on screen. But what adjustment we have to do? We have to adjust. We have to adjust that is the lens holder position, and this one is our screen holder position. The tree that is outside, we will adjust the distance between separation between lens and screen, either by moving the screen holder away or nearer, or by moving the lens holder in such a way that clear and inverted image is formed on screen. As the image is formed on a screen, so it will be real itself. Clear, real and inverted image of the tree, that is a far object or a window or any building, is formed. Now the separation between the lens holder and screen holder, it means lens and image, it is known as rough focal length. So it is very quick method to measure the focal length of a lens, but it provides just a rough or an approximate focal length of a lens. This is very useful method that we use in senior classes in class 12th, so as for image formation, so as to do various practicals. So it is very important. In the next video, I will teach you how image formation takes place using concave lens and uses of convex and concave lens. So be with me in the next video. Till then, goodbye.